Good morning, students. I, Neelam Verma, welcome you to my maths class. Students, today I am going to explain a very important concept of math called division. What do we mean by division? Division means equal sharing or equal grouping. We can say that it is the repeated subtraction of a number from another number. Students, it means that if we have a bigger number and if we want to divide it into equal parts, either we subtract repeatedly or we divide. So, how can we divide? Let's see. Let's take an example. There are 12 chocolates and 3 friends want to share them. How do they divide the chocolates? Let's see. Students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total chocolates 12. And number of friends 1, 2 and 3. 3 friends are there. So we have to divide these 12 chocolates into 3 friends. One way to distribute equally is that we give first chocolate to first friend, second chocolate to second friend, third chocolate to third friend, then fourth chocolate to first friend, fifth chocolate to second friend, and sixth chocolate to third friend, seventh chocolate to first friend, eighth chocolate to second friend, ninth chocolate to third friend. Students, still we have 3 chocolates left. Let's divide them also. Then 10th chocolate to first friend, 11th chocolate to second friend and 12th chocolate to third friend. That means if we divide 12 chocolates equally amongst 3 friends, they will get 4 chocolates each and nothing will be left over. Students, 12. 12 is total number of chocolates. We have to divide into 3 friends. So, if we divide 12 by 3, we get 4 or 3 fours are 12. Some terms are there that we can call these numbers as 12 means dividend. The number of friends or groups into which we have to divide equally is called divisor and the answer that we get is called quotient. Students, let's take another example. Suppose we have to divide 448 divided by 9. So 448 divided by 9. 448 is dividend, 9 is divisor. Students, let's see that divisor has only one digit. So we can take only one digit from dividend also. We have to recall table of 9 till 4 or less than 4. Let's recall 9 ones are 9, but that 9 is also bigger than this 4. So 9 zeros are 0. Subtract this 0 from 4, we get 4. We can copy this 4 down. Students, at the very first step, we can avoid copying this 0 and this 0. Means, if we see that dividend's first digit is smaller than divisor, then we can take 2 digits together and we can proceed. But here we have done, okay, fine. 44. Now recall table of 9 till 44 or less than 44. So 9 fours are 36. Subtract 36 from 44. We cannot subtract 6 from 4, so we will take borrow from here. It will become 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 3 was left, 3 minus 3 is 0. 8 left. We will copy this 8 also here. It becomes 88. Now again recall table of 9 till 88 or less than 88. So 9 nines are 81. Students, subtract this 81 from 88. 8 minus 1, 7. 8 minus 8, 0. 7 left over. And even we are not having any digit to copy from this place to this. So we have to leave it, and this is called remainder. Students, if we can see, we have to divide 448 equally into 9 groups. We can divide 49 each, but still 7 is left. Or if we can say that we have 448 chocolates. Students, suppose your mama has 448 chocolates and she wants to divide these 448 chocolates amongst you and 8 of your friends, means total 9. You all 9. She will divide 49 each chocolates to each friends, means each friend will get 49 chocolates, but still mama will be left out with 7 chocolates, and that 7 chocolate is called remainder. So here we have 448 as dividend, 9 as divisor, 49 as quotient, and 7 as remainder. Students, when we have done with the division sum, we can verify it also. Verification means checking. We can check it also whether our sum is correct or not. We can use this formula. Dividend is equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Means if we multiply quotient and divisor and then add remainder to that product, that number should be equal to dividend. Let's see, in the previous case, their dividend was 448, divisor was, quotient was 49 and divisor was 9. Then remainder was 7. If we multiply this quotient and divisor, 9 9s are 81, 1. 8 carry forward. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 8, 44. 441 plus 7. Now 448 copied as it is. Now you add 441 plus 7, we get 448. Students, as you can see that this 448 is equal to the dividend. Means both the digits are, both the numbers, dividend and whatever we got is equal. Hence, proved that this sum is correct and it is verified. Students, I hope that now division and its verification becomes clear to you all. Now you don't have any doubt. Students, thank you. Keep practicing.